Hello everybody, welcome back for another video. Hope everyone's doing well and having a great day. So here's a fun story to start things off with. The website OKCoin is reported to have experienced a small or large, depending on how you want to look at it, bug that sent Bitcoin prices into the future. So I'll explain a bit. People began posting on social media that during the time Bitcoin was sitting around $7,000 a coin on the website, charts started flying upwards, reporting that Bitcoin's price was currently sitting at $15,151 a coin. Of course, this caused a lot of people to kind of go, hey, what's going on? Because the price rose by $8,363 in seconds. Even better, that's still not the best part. This $15,000 mark that was hit by the price was actually a drop from the system reporting that someone had purchased a Bitcoin for $10 million. Right, causing the price to drop by 99% to rest at $15,000 a coin. At this point, people were kind of like, what is going on? If this all wasn't confusing enough for everyone using the platform, the website started showing Bitcoin's price from the future, indicating that there was a price of a coin for $1 billion, which caused a lot of people on social media to kind of joke and say that Bitcoin had gotten so expensive in the future that someone from the future who wasn't willing to pay the $1 billion price actually traveled back in time to get the $10 million coin as a way of getting it cheap. So you might have guessed it, at the moment, OKCoin is offline. They still haven't really given a like the normal apology. Oh, we're so sorry that this has happened, like many other exchanges have done. But there are a lot of people already joking that when they do say sorry, that it will just be a cover up for the time traveler, because you can't really explain time traveling to people on your platform. So it's been reported by Reuters that a group called Man Group, which is a hedge fund based in the United Kingdom, may also get started with Bitcoin trading, buying and selling as well, if CME's futures go as planned. I don't think that it's kind of rocky right now, but there's a lot of opposition, and I'll get to that in a second. So at the moment, Man Group controls just over $103 billion in assets. So if even 5% of this makes it into the cryptocurrency market, we will see dramatic swings upward for Bitcoin logically. So it's going to be interesting to see if they actually go through with this or what exactly happens. There are a lot of big companies who've been coming forward saying that they really want to get into it. And I think everyone's kind of waiting for the first legit air quote CME thing to kind of come through, because this will be the first like major thing with normal money, people kind of throwing money into the market. So we'll see exactly what happens. There are a lot of large number of wealthy investors trying to get into Bitcoin. So we're almost at the end of the year. Let's see exactly what happens in 2018. So as if on cue, just in time for December, there's a large number of people on Wall Street who have started coming forward, trying to voice their opinion and discuss and just saying how horrible all of this is and all their future concerns about the upcoming Bitcoin futures market. So in a letter that was published just 2 days ago, a chairman of the Interactive Brokers wrote to the Commodity Futures Trading Commission that any cryptocurrency or derivative market that wishes to operate or that wishes to come about, what have you, should be made to do so isolated from every other market. That is to say, every other market that is on Wall Street, they should be pushed completely aside so that they don't even touch them, so that they're not even associated. This guy says that the risks of the capital markets is at stake, and that cryptocurrency risks destabilizing other products. He goes on to say that cryptocurrencies just simply aren't mature enough, that they don't bear any actual resemblance to any type of economic feature in the real world, and wanted to of course, talk about the price volatility, as so many other people do, because this is their only go-to. They used to always use the dark net and say all these other websites, but now since that's kind of been pushed back, they only talk about the price volatility. So this is going to be a very interesting December that we are going towards. December is not far away. We'll finally be able to see exactly what happens when big money kind of gets into the market and see where other companies go from here. But yeah, this was bound to happen. We've known for some time that people on Wall Street don't really care for cryptocurrencies because it destroys what they have. So when they start seeing the money that should be flowing into their companies going into cryptocurrencies, it just raises red flags for them, and they don't really care for that. But yeah, guys, that is going to do it for today's video. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys have a great day wherever you might be. Hope you guys are enjoying your weekend, your day, your afternoon, your morning. And yeah, I will talk to you all soon. See you.